Greetings and salutations YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of our shopping videos. We are here today at HOMEGOODS. I'm super excited to take you guys inside. So let's run in and check it out. You guys, I'm already dying. Look how cute this is. I actually have one of these from West Elm. Halloween stuff. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh, look at these cups. They're like rainbowy. Turtles! I have a turtle very similar to that. Oh, look at that fish. Ooh. All the cabbage stuff. They're like the complete set. That monkey. This store is so huge, you guys. It's like a dedicated home goods store and not like a TJ Maxx home goods. Tahari home. That is cool. These bananas. Oh, it's handsome Squidward. Ooh, for propagation? How much are you? This is super cute. $14.99. It's not horrible. Oh, there are more here. They have a bunch of macrame for 20 bucks each. Ooh, made in Portugal. That's a really pretty book. All this stuff looks like so Anthropology. Oh my gosh, this poof. Ooh, look at that one. Look at all these. Oh, look at that. This is cool. 130. This is awesome. Solid cedar. Ooh, 80 bucks. It's pretty. This bench is interesting, but I think it's broken. That mirror, it's like a lucite. Oh, this is awesome. It's huge though. 400 bucks. How pretty is this table? We have like these feather lights that look so fun. Ooh, this fan. Oh, I like the fabric on those chairs. Oh my gosh, look at this pillow. Yes. All the fall colors. This store has so much more stuff than mine does. Ooh, a poof. Do love a good poof. There's a yellow one. These are so cool. They're like cowhide with like the fur. They're $100 each. Look at this sparkle. These are so cute. But I have like black ones from Pottery Barn from when I used to work there. But those look like Harry Potter glasses. Ooh, those are cool. The elephant. How cute are these guys? This guy and a girl, they're swinging. Ooh, these boxes are kind of pretty too. With the inlay. Guys, how pretty is this? It's 40 bucks. I also like this Carlos Mota books. Pretty. Oh my gosh, how cute is this little table set? You guys, they have these Jonathan Adler cloud faces. I'm so excited. Alright, you guys, so I am back at the house and I'm really excited to show you guys what we ended up getting today from HOMEGOODS. So I was pretty excited because we went to a new location, and this one is a dedicated HOMEGOODS store. So unlike the one that is by my house, is not connected to like a TJ Maxx, this one is just all HOMEGOODS everywhere, and it was really, really fun. I mean, they had a ton of stuff that I've never even seen at my HOMEGOODS location, but they didn't have a lot of stuff that I was hoping that they would have that I have seen previously in mine. But let me show you guys what I ended up getting. Okay, so I did get another one of these cloud, I think they're called cloud vases. They're really cute. They're by Jonathan Adler, and these were $6.99. And what's really cool is that they actually also had the green ones, which are so pretty. It's like in a mint color, and it's more of like a triangular shape. Like, how cute are these two together? Like, how adorable is that? And they're going to be so cute, styled up. I love the colors right now. They are just giving me all the vibes. And I did end up getting another green one as well. So there is this one. Beautiful. And these were only $9.99, which is awesome. Such a good price. These were $6.99, $9.99. I feel like mine, at my store, these were, or I call it my store because it's the one by my house. I feel like they were more expensive. I don't remember. But some of their pricing is not super consistent, because I did end up getting this vase as well. So I got another one of these guys. These are super gorgeous, right? Oh, you know what it is? I think this is the smaller vase. Never mind. Pricing is not consistent. I did get the large one of these. It was $9.99. This one is $6.99. This is the smaller size of the two. Also Jonathan Adler as well. Actually, let me show you guys that one. This is the larger one, and this is the smaller one. So how cute is that, actually? These are like a cute little combo. And then imagine like pairing that maybe even, cool. Ooh, or maybe like the eyeball little thingamajigger, which is right here. So I did end up getting another one of these. Oh, sorry. Another one of these little trinket boxes, $6.99. Okay, so I guess the pricing was pretty consistent, but the thing that wasn't consistent is they had, I'm going to try and show you guys the photo because I don't have it here with me right now. But I did get like that set of, it was like, they came in like separate pieces. And they were candle holders. They're black and white, and each piece was $1.99 at my local store. And at the one that I just went to, each piece was like different prices. Like some of them were like $4.99 and $3.99 depending on the size. So they priced them all differently, even though like that thing is actually supposed to be priced all together because it is like supposed to be like a one whole set. So I didn't get any of that stuff, but I'm really happy with these vases that I did end up getting. They're super duper cute. And again, we're going to be doing a giveaway for these very soon as well. So that's very exciting for me to do that. Again, stay tuned for when that happens. Hopefully very, very soon. I just want to kind of figure out all the things that we're going to be giving away. So really excited. But that's the end of the video. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Hope you guys had fun. Don't forget to check out today's vlog. It's up at 2. The new video is going to be up tomorrow at 7. And then another vlog is up at 2. So I am doing 2 videos every single day. So if you guys would like to and haven't done so already, please subscribe. Hit the little bell button to be notified when new videos do go up. Hit the like button. It always helps the algorithm. And share with your friends and family. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys all later. Bye!